Uh, um, hi, hi everyone. Really is an, honor to be chosen by the Elder to, a dragon. Uh, no, I'm sorry, no, but I can't do this. It's not who I am. I'm not like all of you. And I don't think I ever will be. I'm the first Viking in 300 years who couldn't slay a dragon. A couple weeks ago when I said I took down that Night Fury, I tracked it down and I found it in the woods. But when I looked at him, I saw myself. I didn't see a terrifying, horrible, dangerous creature. All I saw was the same fear that I felt. And in that moment, I knew I wouldn't do it. I know I sound crazy, but please, if you would just give them a chance and listen to me. Maybe instead of fighting each other, we could work together.